Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Now today I'm Ken over here just with your basic spoken English course, the Practical Language Learning Center, IELTS, spoken English course, German language course, Chinese language course, and for learning online, you can contact with us on our WhatsApp number 0346684826. English speaking basic section 1, lecture 2, right? And today's the topic of my lecture is here. I am in. It's a full form. I am. Here is the short form. I'm in. I'm at. I'm on. Right? I'm in. I'm at. I'm on. Okay, just follow these things. Now today we're going to study about I'm in, I'm at, or I'm on. So next, describes an action you're doing. When you're just doing an action, it describes something, right? Most commonly you will use the word in. Look, this word in you used when entering a physical location such as room or building. These two words keep in your mind. Physical location such as room or building, right? In these two places you use the word in. Here are some example, right? With example your concept would be clear, inshallah ta'ala. I'm in the shower, right? I'm in the shower. Here your physical location, right? I'm in lobby. Look at lobby. And for more example, just look at some more example. I'm in a car. I'm in a car, right? I'm in a house, right? I'm in a school. And here you can see using the word at, right? The word at. Now we are going to study about the word at. The word at helps tell someone where you currently are, right? Wherever you are in your present time, it just you can say that helps the person to describe himself or herself. The difference between at and in is that physical location is is general, right? The physical location is general between these two things, the main difference, right? And next, with example, just follow the word. Here are some examples. I'm at a grocery, right? Look at. I'm at the mall. I'm at the doctor's office, right? Doctor's office. I'm at the doctor's office. I'm at the park, right? I'm at the doctor's office. I'm at the park. I'm at the mall. I'm at the grocery. So next, I'm at the airport, right? This is also another example. I'm at the airport. One thing keep in your mind, just remember these sentences, memorize all these concepts, and just try to repeat, practice in your daily routine life. Just apply all these concepts over your practical life, then your English would be too much better, inshallah. However, in some cases you can use here at or in and in interchangeably. The very important word. You can use these two words at and in interchangeably, right? Here are some example. I'm at the mall, right? In your previous examples you have studied. Look at. I'm at the grocery. I'm in the mall. I am at the mall, right? Look this example and look here, interchangeable. I'm at the mall. I'm in the mall, right? I'm at the mall or I am in the mall. Similarly, I'm at the park. I'm in the park. Look, I'm at the grocery. I'm in the grocery. Using the word, look, using the word on here, the word on, it's very important. is referring to a non-physical locations, is referring to non-physical locations such as your time being utilized by something else, right? Here the very important thing, your time being utilized by something else. Here are some examples. I'm on the phone. Am on the phone. I'm on my computer, right? Your time is being utilized by something else. Here you can see by yourself. I'm on a bus, right? Look these examples. He, she, it. In the end, I just want to tell you here, very important thing. When you are using the word he, she, you use after he, she is, right? He is in the mall. He is at the airport, right? You can apply. You have just studied about the I am, but you can also use in the replacement of I, he is, right? Look at some, we'll go back. Here, am on the phone. Here you can say he is on the phone, right? I'm on a computer. Here you can say he is on my computer. I'm on a bus. He is on a bus, right? Just apply all these he, she, it and they, we and you with all the sentences, right? Just change them, try to practice them, then you will learn a lot. Similarly, we'll go back again. Here you can see they. Okay, we will apply this pronoun they. I'm in the mall. They are. We will use are. They are in the mall. They are at the park. They are in the park. They are at the grocery. They are in the grocery, right? I think you have followed my instructions. Look at here some more examples. I'm at the airport. She is at the airport, right? She's at the airport here. I'm at the grocery. Here you should apply we. We will use with the we are, right? We are at the grocery. We are at the mall. We are at the doctor's office, right? We are at the park. You can use these pronouns, right, in the place of I, right? This is the concept. Don't I, we, you, he, she, it and they, right? These are the pronouns, subjective case of the pronoun. You can use I am at the grocery, we are at the grocery, you are at the grocery, he is at the grocery, she is at the grocery, it is at the grocery, they are at the grocery, right? Just these pronouns, these are 7 pronouns. Just apply with over all the sentences, just learn and just practice at home, right? And just learn the language with me. This is the best thing for you. With me, inshallah, I'll make practice more and more for you, and you will learn a lot. This is the best thing for you. And don't go anywhere else. Just subscribe my channel, watch my videos till the end, follow my lectures, share my videos to others, and you learn a lot with me, right? This is a basic speaking, English speaking course, right? I have earlier mentioned this thing, basic English speaking basics, section 1, lecture 2, right? And this is the basic. All these things are better for you. Learn with me. Okay, bye, best of luck, nice, take care of you.